So this will be a video on how to use Excel to produce a residuals plot for, in this case, some calibration line data. The residual plots are more widely useful. One of the first things you're going to need to have done is install the data analysis toolkit for Excel. This needs to be the full version of Excel running on a PC running Windows or a Mac that runs something equivalent to. I don't think it's possible to do this on, for example, the iPad. So you need a proper computer. If you're not sure how to do this, there are links in the various other information associated with this module, and there's Excel, there's a Microsoft's page on how to do this as well. It's a fairly straightforward process. Okay, so data analysis allows us to do lots of things. It is really useful. Allows us to do ANOVA, for example, which we'll do elsewhere. But for now, we're interested in regression. So if we click on regression, we click on OK, and I've already got some information in here which I'm going to correct. So we want to input our Y range, which is these over here. I'm going to input our X range, which is these over here. We know we're including the label for the column as well. If you don't, it doesn't calculate things properly. We set it up to produce labels, and we set it for residuals, and I'll put the output range just down here. It's also set up to produce a residual plot, which is the one thing we're going to look at, though the data we're going to get we will have a look at a bit later on in other contexts. So let's click on OK, and we get a lot of information down here based on confidence limits and residual outputs, but the main thing we're interested in is a residual plot. It's given it a funny name there, which you're probably going to want to change. But we can see it's only 4 points, so it's a little bit hard to be specific about what's happening, but it does appear to be widening out. So tentatively, we could say that the standard deviation is becoming wider as we go through this particular residual plot. So the calibration line may not be as reliable as we would want it to be. Okay, so that was it. It was only a short video. Thanks for listening.